This is the easier way. Trust me, this is the, like, will set you free. Like, once you really get this, man, it's like printing money. Conversion teams, be personal. If you're using standard follow-up emails, tweak them to your personality, add some jokes. People love jokes, you know. Signature, family pictures, travel pictures, make it personal. So it just, if you add your phone number in the beginning, if you have more time than money, add your phone number. People are skeptical. If you add your phone number, hey, leave me a voicemail, I'll get back to you. If you, some of them will be time wasters, but you'll get some sales out of it. In the beginning, that's what I did. So add your phone number to your you can add your virtual, maybe like a Google Voice number or something. So then you can screen people if they're qualified to talk to you on the phone or not. Before you even pre-frame, like you have coaches, but you can pre-frame coaches. If you pre-frame coaches, you're gonna have higher conversions. Ooh, this is gonna be a while. I like to torture people. Okay, take a screenshot of this and take action on this. Like Chris and Susan always tells you what to do, so I'm gonna be Chris and Susan right now. Interview other people from here. Don't catch me because I can't talk anymore, like I need water. Interview them, take pictures at least, ask them questions, ask them about their results, use them in your marketing. Bonuses, huge, like incentives. Like if you join by midnight, I'll give you X, Y, and Z. Whatever that is. Could be ebook that you created, could be a PLR ebook for that matter. You know what I mean? Start making videos of yourself, face to camera, keynote, videos, Zoom calls. Like Zoom is free, you can download Zoom, you record those screen shares. Man, I hear Misha coming, he's gonna push me off the stage. You guys get this? Like you like this? Keep going, all right, I'll just keep going. And if he kicks me out, I'll meet you guys outside of this room. So 7 more ways. So this is like way number 4. Long follow-up list. People are skeptical, but it's the get emails every single day. Like people will always buy when it's convenient for them, not for you. Always remember that. When they decide to pull the trigger, that's when they do it. You can lead the horse to the water, but you cannot force it to drink unless it's thirsty. Always remember that. Put yourself in prospect shoes, always. Leadership, development. When you see leaders coming on your team, like you see people taking action, they start getting small results in the beginning, but they stick by you, they follow you, spend more time with them. So always like your time is the most precious asset beside your family. So if you have an extra 2 hours a week, spend the time with those people that deserve it, not because they're needy. Oh, please help me, call me. You know, I'm going to be the biggest success story, which is always a lie. They never do anything, just so you know. It's true, right? I'm just telling you how it is. I'm from New York, you know. I tell you how it is. I don't sugarcoat things, you know. Go to events, make videos, take pictures. What else we got? If you do all 7, you are guaranteed to increase your conversions. Disclaimer, only if you do all 7 every single day, 7 days a week. Even at night. People buy you first and they join your company. It doesn't matter what you promote. You can be promoting like, I don't know, some ancient MLM that's still around, you know, and people will still buy those products because it's you. They trust you. All right, you guys made it. Ooh, success component number 5. You'll have to meet me at the next event. You have to buy the ticket to the next event to get this one. Because this one can actually quadruple and 10x your existing income. Like culture building, team duplication, customer retention, so on and so forth. Residuals. So yeah, start doing team trainings once a week for your teams or your tribe, if you will. Because that's where the money is, in the tribe. Like, we're part of Misha's tribe. But what's stopping you from creating your own tribe? Read that book, Tribes by Seth Godin. Really, really powerful book. You can probably download it on Audible and listen to it. It's called Tribes. Tribes. Can't pronounce it. Tribes. Share success stories of your teammates, breakthroughs, identify producers on your team, increases duplication, retention, all that jazz. Man, I picked it up from Misha. I always say all that jazz because he says that. See how it works? Paint the big vision. Yeah, so you can also take it to the next level and separate people who are really committed, like all in, and they have all the products, and do something special for them. Like, for example, I did something similar like a couple of years ago in Vegas. Like, we went to a racetrack and we rented like all the exotic cars. Man, we had a blast. It was like I was a kid in a candy store all day, like racing like Ferraris, Lambos, and everything else. Oh, wow. Oh man, this thing is gonna self-explode, I think. This is Mission Impossible. Misha's, dude, 4 more slides. Always remember, no one wants to follow a follower, people follow leaders. That's why we are in the leadership role here. You guys like came here, like most people didn't, right? So you are aspiring entrepreneurs, you are incoming leaders, you're the next success stories. So never forget that. Even if you don't see that in your bank account right now, it will manifest in the future if you never quit, if you don't stop, and if you just keep taking consistent daily action. And 2 more slides. So yeah, before there was only 2 options. Like before the internet, back in the day, like you only had 1 option. You had to work until you get either like retired and you lived like on a really small check that can barely afford groceries or something like that. Or you can spend like 2-3 years trying to put everything together yourself. Like what I mentioned before, programmers, graphic designers, customer support, million other things. Or you can plug in into existing thing and just commit to it 100% and just drive traffic consistently and test traffic, see what's working, what's not working, tweak until you get it to work. And now you have ultimate option, which I just described to you. Get committed 100%, change yours and other people's lives. I'm out of time, guys. Thank you for paying attention. Here's a nice picture for you. Go make it happen. No excuses. Thank you.
Good job, man. Right on. So it's pretty awesome to hear from a 7-figure earner, yeah?